Now I'm just going to show you how we can make like this type of beautiful animation. So as you can see, if I'm just going to drag it, it's also work. And if I just going to click on this button, it is also work. But the thing is, like, when we're just planning about it to make like this type of prototype, that time we don't really expect to create like this, that we need to create like just click on a button, then it's gonna work. We don't really want it. We want something like when someone just going to scroll, it's automatically going to the next, again to the next, and again to the next. Our expectation was like something like this, but we try to do it, but it was fail. That's why I'm showing it. I was playing that like before delivery to the developer. I will explain to him that, hey, I was expecting something like this. When someone just going to scroll this section, they will get to see something like this, and after this it's gonna go to the next section. Okay, so to make this animation, or like the prototype, we need to simply click on here, this start from here, and simply select all of them, and just let's say make a component site. Now as you can see, we get a component, and now we need to do the prototype. So go prototype and simply select here this frame and simply link it to the next one, and let's change into drag and smart animation and make it, let's say, gentle, or let's say you can make it quick. Again, go to the next, simply link into the next one. It's going to be, let's say, drag, and it's going to be quick, definitely. Let's go to the next and link into the next one. Let's say drag, and yeah, it will be quick. Now let's come here, this button. So let's simply select it, link to the next one. Let's click, and it's need to be smart animation, and let's say ease out. Also, I want, if somebody click on this button, it's need to be also work. Let's go to the next one, link to the next. Again, let's say simply link it to the next one, link to the next one. As you can see, I'm just going to put same animation, so that's why. Now let's link it the first one, since it's the last. Let's select here the button again, just double click, then the button will be selected. So as you can see, now selected, and let's simply link it to the first one. All right, so now simply take one copy of this, as you can see, and if I go to the design, now as you can see, all of this slider have there. So Control X, then come here and the result page, and simply remove the previous one, and simply click on this result, and simply Control V, and now click on center and also the bottom. Let's click on here this result and click on preview. Now if I'm just going to scroll, as you can see, it's really work fine. If I'm just going to click on this button, and it's also really works fine.